house that time.
Yes, I was shifting house that time.
Yeah. Oh,
So,
can you see me? Oh, okay. In
I'm
between.
recording this call. Okay.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
We generally what I say is I give this Diksha initiation and Saundarya Lahari to many people,
Okay.
but very few are able to do the way I tell them this
Mm-hmm.
japam, and
Okay.
it is very nice to hear the experience from them
Yeah.
because personally I have done and I have benefited only. I know that it can be done, it is possible, and it is beneficial.
Yeah, it is very beneficial. It is.
And
கொஞ்சம் strenuous ஆ
miraculously it
இருந்தது.
works.
Yeah, I mean, if you ask me, actually, it was for 45 days.
Mm.
I started on Thai Pusam and completed it on March 15th, I think. Yeah. கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 2-3 days extra only, 48 days எடுத்துட்டேன். ஆனா
Mm.
எனக்கு ரிசல்ட் வந்து February 25th வந்துடுது. லைக் நான் உங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எங்க பொண்ணு வந்து she wanted extension அங்க
நீங்க
இருக்கிறதுக்கு.
நீங்க ஒரே ஒரு தடவை உங்களோட just share with me. You can talk in English only. Because
Okay,
we want all the audience to hear this.
okay, no problem. No. One
So
second, ma'am. One second. Yeah, I'll speak in English only. Even I'm comfortable speaking in English. I
so
mean, I can speak
you
Tamil
can tell
very well.
me from the time you contacted me,
Yeah.
what was your issue and how you followed the advice.
Yeah. I mean, I got your contact from my friend Radha Satish, who had already taken Diksha Mantram from you, and she said that she was still going, doing the Diksha for 45 days. She was in between that period when I had met her in Coimbatore, and she told me I just spoke to her about my daughter's, predicament. She said you should call Dr. Arunashri. She will guide you, and you just do whatever she says. Diligent பண்ணுங்க. Then it will really be. It's very efficient, and you will see the results and all that. She had mentioned at that time. That is when I just kept thinking, because I was not sure whether I could commit myself and whether I was capable of committing myself for 45 days. And I was like, uh, just in case, in between, if there are days when I'm not able to do it, then what do I do? And I was kind of a bit confused at that stage. I think I came across one YouTube of yours explaining, I think Lalita Sahasranamam, or Lalita Sahasranamam, yes.
Yes.
That's when I thought, okay, I remember you mentioning in all the videos, the during the end of all the videos, you keep mentioning about how we can contact you and all that. So that's when I took your number, and my friend had already given me your number. But I thought, okay, maybe even Ambal, everything happens, with her consent. So maybe that
Yes,
was
it's
the
a
right time for me.
divine plan that you should talk to me
Amma.
that day.
Yeah. Even I kept thinking that, every time I kept thinking I should call you, it never happened. But that particular day, I remember, I think it was around 11 o'clock or 11:30 in the morning. I just randomly messaged you saying, this is my name and I don't have a guru, but I assume, Kanchi Kamakoti Pitadishwara, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati as my guru and all that, and immediately responded, which I never expected actually. And then when I told you, my main thing was my younger daughter is in the US. At that time, she had an issue that she has to come back by February 28th if her, if her job extension did not happen. and she was totally distraught. And every day she would be crying, or she would be totally mood off whenever we call her and all that. And it really broke my heart to see the child going through all that. It would have been better. I mean, if she was with us, that would have been a different story. But she stays alone there, and I knew she was going through a lot of stress. So humanly, I couldn't do anything. So I really needed some divine intervention. So that is the
Yes,
time.
there are places, it is beyond our control.
It's
In these places
definitely.
only we need divine intervention.
Yes, yes, yes. That's when, everything fell into place when I called you, and, you were so good. You had a very hectic routine, I think, during that time, due to shifting your place from one place to another house and all that. In spite of that, you had told me, no, you just go ahead and do the, the Diksha mantra was 30-second slogam of Saundarya Lahari. And I actually subscribed to one channel called the Sanskrit channel. I don't know whether you're familiar
But
with that.
which shlokam I told you to do?
The 30-second slokam.
Shiva Shakti Kamaha.
Shakti Kamaha, Kshitirata Ravi Shita Kiranaha,
Kiranaha.
that same thing. And it actually had, the Phalasruti was for something like, if you're having some problems in the business side or something like that, it will
Yes.
do good. Or if anything is stuck, any particular endeavors of yours are stuck, then they will be unknotted kind of thing and all that. But I didn't bother about the Phalasruti.
So we should always take a broader meaning when it comes to the Phalashruti. We should go for a broader meaning, not for the shortest possible one.
So I know it must be the right one, and whatever it is, at least I'll start it off with that. I mean, let me just surrender totally at the feet of, Mother Goddess. அவ்வளவுதான் விட்டேன் நானு. And I think I started correctly.
How many times you did?
Actually, first 3 days I did 1,000 times each day. And somehow I don't know, I wouldn't say I couldn't, but at a stretch it was very difficult for me because it's the first time, and we are actually, to tell you very frankly, we are non-Brahmins, we are non-vegetarians and everything. But I think 2 days before I started the Diksha, I did mention to you that, I will be totally vegetarian. And I'll have to cook for my family because we are all basically non-vegetarians and all. So that was one thing. And actually, and Diksha Mantra Mangalada, because we don't have Guru or we have not been initiated into anything, we are actually not used to all those things. But I had a very good, feeling that I can do it and all that. If not 1,000, at least I'll just put the burden on Mother Goddess every day before praying, starting the mantra or something. I've always prayed to Vinayagar, Ganesha, then my Kuladaivam, Tirupati Perumal, then Mahaperiva, and then Mother Goddess. And I would only say that, அம்மா என்னால இன்னைக்கு எவ்வளவு முடியாதோ நான் பண்றேன், அதுதான் என்னால முடியும். ஆத்மார்த்தமா
I already told you, sit and do 108, then keep on doing up and down whenever you are walking. How much of a time is possible?
Yes. But actually, in sitting in the puja room and doing it was almost the first 3 days I did 1,000 times each, and it took about 5 hours for me. I don't know because I'm not. I mean, I've never done this, but still, with one enthusiasm, the enthusiasm was there till the last 48 days I did. They said only 45, but somehow I thought, okay, 48 also they say you can do.
So every day you could finish 1,000 or?
No, I couldn't. First 3 days, full 1,000, sat in front of in my puja room in front of Ambal and did it. And from 4th day, I did 108 times in front of Ambal, and all the other times just throughout the day. Whenever I remember, I used to just, it was like, I don't need to remember also. It was just running in my brain,
Yes,
like thing,
yes.
the back of my head.
It happens.
Just going even while walking, when I used to go for walk and all that also on my terrace, it just used to go on and on and on and on. I never counted how many times, but ஆத்மார்த்தமா அம்மாள் முன்னாடி உட்காந்து பண்றது பண்ணினது, I have Japamala and all that. So I did it only 108 times properly in front of her, and throughout the day, when my waking hours, all the waking hours went, into trying that particular slogam. And I started on Thaipusam, that is January 28th, and February 28th was the last day for my daughter's stay there. And around 24th or something, when we called her, she was totally in tears and crying, and she said, I'm coming, you book a ticket for me, I'm coming up, nothing is happening here and all that. And I'm like, no, it will happen. Have patience. And I was like, what patience? There are only 4 more days. What miracle is going to happen? And all that. She was going on and on and on. And I told her, I mean, she doesn't believe in puja, no going to temple, nothing. At least my older daughter, that way is okay. But at least, yeah, she
You
has
also
only
told
one.
me your younger daughter's husband is more like puja type, no?
Actually, fiance, they're not married yet.
Fiance. Okay,
Fiance.
okay.
Yeah. Because of him, thank God, at least we got him,
She
He
goes to
takes me
temple, right?
yeah, he goes to temple and he goes to Sabarimalai. When he was here, he used to go every year to Sabarimalai and all that.
Yeah, I remember.
And there they have a Sai Baba, Shirdi Sai Baba temple on somewhere close by. So
So,
he used to.
from 24th to 28th, only between 4 days, all the things happen.
Yes. Actually, 25th or 26th, she calls me and tells, yeah, my visa, I mean, my stay extension is given, and I've been taken on by a consultant and on a payroll already and all that. That was just for them to extend the stay. They had taken her on the payroll, and they, officially she got extended and all that. And I really thought it was not even 1 month since I started, it just happened on 25th or 26th. And I'm like, I mean, I didn't know. I was totally like, didn't know how to express. Even now I'm getting goosebumps when I'm talking about it. I'm
Hey,
like,
I'm also so happy. I'm so happy to hear. See, in 4 days, your daughter itself told what is going to happen. So many days, nothing happened, and it suddenly happened means it is all it's divine grace only.
no, you won't believe. When she cried like that, my husband was totally shaken up. He said, "What is this nonsense?" I mean, Pona for the US, ஒண்ணுமே வேண்டாம். We'll just send her a ticket and let her come back. And I said, no. Just wait. It's even last day something can happen. You don't do. Don't take a hasty decision. But her crying and all totally shook him up. And that day, I think, I don't know, it was somewhere around Paurnami or after Paurnami, I don't remember. I just went up onto the terrace, and I believe, when you go and just stand, open place and look at the sky, and I'm like, Amma, I mean, உங்களுக்கு டைம் லிமிட் இல்லை, உங்க டைம் லிமிட் எங்களுக்கு, it is not our time, human time limit, and your time limit is completely different. Whatever happens has to happen within our time limit. And I just opened up, and I just kept telling Ambal, நீங்க தான் அவ்வளவுதான், எனக்கு என்ன பண்றேன்னு தெரியாது, you do whatever it is. If she has to come back, fine, maybe she has a better prospect here. After 2 days we call her and say, okay, what is the situation, what do you want us to do? She's like, what do you need to do? I already got extension. I'm like, what? It was like something from bolt out of the blue madri. And I said, wow, this is really a very, very pleasant and happy surprise. I told Radha also. Then I just kept praying, because I thought, okay, Juma 24 days la vandithu, and I cannot leave it like that.
Yeah, it's a Thanksgiving மாதிரி நம்ம அத பண்ணி முடிக்கணும். You should finish that.
Yeah. Every time, even now when I sit in front of Ambal, இப்போ கூட goosebumps வந்து, just getting goosebumps talking to you also.
Yeah, I am also getting goosebumps, because whenever I come across people who do sincerely, they surely get result.
Yeah. And after 48 days I finished because there were little things, some little disturbances and all that. All that also got sorted out. No, not for only my old younger. Actually, I started for my younger daughter's extension, but we learned for my older daughter, for my husband at his work, everything. Little things got sorted out, and I'm like, enough. You don't need to manifest yourself in front of me. You make me feel that you are there, right here around us, and
No, that is what we are
close to
saying.
us.
No, she will give whatever one
Yeah,
wants. She knows what you want. You
yeah,
don't
yeah.
need to ask, I want this, I want that. Okay, you don't need to ask. She will give, she knows what things will make you more peaceful and more focused towards her.
Yeah, true, very true. Because I never told her, see, my husband's business is going through this kind of thing, or my older daughter, there are some little issues and all that. Nothing like that. It went off, what do you call, smoothly,
Your call is getting stuck. Your call is getting stuck.
Is it okay now? 48 days. I used to do Naivedyam every day actually.
Okay, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. I used to do some. I mean, the thing that was given was urad dal vada, chakrai pongal, or curd rice. So one of these two. Usually, it used to be rice variety only. Urad dal vada, I think I made twice. Otherwise, it was always little bit of chakra pongal or little bit of curd rice or something like that every
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
If I couldn't do, then I would just offer fruits or like badam and all the nuts, dry fruits or something like that. And yeah, I finished it on March 15th. That is
Okay.
about 48 days. And last day, I just, break and even at that time the temples were not really open here in our area that much, so I couldn't go much, but yeah, it went off really well. I in the beginning kind of 1,000 time thing was little bit at a stretch. Doing 1,000 times was a bit strenuous and stressful actually. Can I do it, because there was housework and all that. Also maid also was not allowed to come around that time due to COVID and all those things. But later on it got set, everything got set, and my health wise also uh, I didn't feel much taxed or anything like that. It really went on well. And I told Radha also after I completed that this really happened and all that, and she was so happy. She was like, really, it's such a great thing here. Miracles do happen. She kept on saying. And I was not, I just thought, okay, let me wait 48 days totally. And like I mentioned, I only asked for extension of my daughter. I didn't ask for a job or anything like that. Job she got recently, but anyway, she got it slowly, which is good for her because there are certain things there. Depending on the visa she's on, it is always like to have a job and study along with it. So that worked out only recently, but still, she got an extension for almost now 3 years. So which she didn't dream, which we didn't think was possible, and she's happy. We are happy, and everything, all the what do you call? Everything happened. I should say, accolades go to you only, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything.
That is not, we are only instruments, you know. I am very, whenever some people share, I'm very happy to hear because, see, we are only just a instrument to carry this glory. There had
Yeah,
been lot of people before us, there had been lot of other people who have experienced this, and we are doing this with faith. But
yeah.
there had been places where I was ridiculed. No, this is just a literary superior literary work, and
Mm.
whatever you're saying, this happens and all. Even great scholars have ridiculed this belief that how come they have written this? What is the proof? Now I am creating proof. This was a belief. This was just a belief, and people were believing that yes, it will happen. And I also believed and did it at one point in my life. It happened. It worked with me. I am creating testimonial for this now.
Hmm. Mine, you can just, you can, what do you call? It's my true life experience. So you can put it forward into your forum, or you
You
can,
are Sunita Doddapanini.
yeah, yeah. You can share it. And thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough because
No,
the base,
I am not the one, I am very happy to be this instrument because through me, she is doing, she's given me the opportunity to be the instrument.
uh,
I have taken this idea, this kind of experiences. My guru has shared with me so many experiences that she had come across. She had given, she has given this some slokams to somebody, and the couple who were fighting, who separated, they reunited. She has shared so many experiences with me, but that time they did not have the material evidence,
okay.
no testimonials, no material evidence. I am, you are just giving me the testimonial, material evidence, so that nobody can question the efficacy of the shlokas in future.
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody can ridicule the belief with which I am telling.
No, it's nothing like you mentioned, you mentioned in all your videos and all that. When you take up something, you need to do it wholeheartedly. That's all. Even if you can't do 1,000 times, there
That
were
is
days I
why
did.
That's why I
Yeah,
told them sit and do 108 times, because
yeah.
I am also, I want to know whether what I have told is right. Because when I did for the first time, I meticulously did 1,000 times,
Mm.
sat and do 1,000 times. That time even I was carrying. Still I did. My family members were very cooperative with me, and they would wait to have food for me. Then, but nowadays, lot of people, older ladies, they tell me, "Oh, madam, I cannot sit for 1,000 for chanting 1,000 because it will, my back ache will start then." Then I said, sit and do 108, keep doing up and down. Now I want to see whether whatever changes we gave, Ambal has accepted it. She has accepted it.
No, like they say, no, in Kali Yugam and all, earlier it might have been possible. In Kali Yugam, even if you just think about God, that itself is a great thing. Appadina. So 108 times you sit and do. I could do. I usually sit in asanam and do in the puja room, but I have to get up because of so much of work at home. But it's always there. I keep chanting it, and there are times I have chanted it loudly also, and my husband knows it. My daughter, when they look at my face, they know that I'm chanting, and I'm when they're speaking to me also, I might be looking at them, but I might be chanting, and they know I'm not concentrating on what they're speaking to me and all that. They just say, oh, she is in another world, so leave it. That kind of thing.
So we go to the another world to get something
Yeah,
in this world.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
They
see,
were
this
only
world
worried.
and the other world is connected.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the day before I had a beautiful experience. There was a baby bird in front of our house in a bush, a
Okay.
robin, and somebody called me out to saying this small bird has fallen, and my daughter also came with me, and she helped to pick that bird up with tissue paper, and we kept it back. After 3 4 days, the bird grew well and it flew away. And I asked that person who was standing there, who actually coordinated all these things. I asked him how many days this baby has grown so fast. He said 9 days. 9 days is the time it starts flying, and next 2 months it is in training flying. Their mummy and father will guide her.
Oh,
Take care.
okay.
So suddenly I got this idea: 9 days for them, 9 months for us.
True, true,
Nine
true,
days
true.
for them, 9 months for us. The
Um,
bird doesn't even know that this human being exists.
I know.
They don't know our world. They cannot see us, they cannot perceive us, but
Yeah.
what capacity we have, they cannot understand us. But six of us were in this rescue project. Six of us
Mm.
once spotted it. Somebody called me. We lifted it, and six of us were involved in doing this rescue. So we are like devas for them. For us,
Yeah.
devas, our one we year is one day for them.
I know, I know.
Uh,
Like
so
I told.
we cannot see those devas, but they are giving us all the good and bad. They are giving it from the God. From whatever comes, they are the communicators. So
Yeah.
whether you believe it or not, there is another world existing, and we get transferred to that world. We communicate with them, and then we get results from them.
So when you read this shloka, there are the mention of Manmada in three names like Smara and I mean in everywhere it is Smara only. I never realized Smara was Manmada. Okay, and I think
His
there
name
are
is
so
Ananga. Ananga is also Manmata.
yeah.
Shiva
That
Shakti Kamaha Shitirata Ravihi Shita Kiranaha
yeah.
Maro Hamsa Shakraha.
That is Indra.
Ah,
Shakara is Indra, I think.
Kamaha is Manmata.
Yeah. Yeah, and I mean, after learning this and reciting it, I go back to Lalita Sahasranamam, and there it is like Vadana Smara Mangalya Griha Torana Chillika, right? அங்க வந்து அந்த வதனத்துல இருக்கிற இந்த நடுவுல தான் இருப்பாரு அவரு அண்ட் வதன ஸ்மர மாங்கல்ய அந்த ஐப்ரோஸ் ஆர் லைக் மங்களமான தோரணம் மாதிரி நடுவுல ஸ்மரன் இருக்கான் ஐ நெவர் ரியலைஸ் தட் வதன ஸ்மர ஐ நெவர் பாதர்ட் அபவுட் த ஸ்மர தேர் ஆஃப்டர் லேர்னிங் திஸ் ஸ்லோகா ஐ கோ பேக் டு தட் அண்ட் ஐம் லைக் ஓ மை காட் ஆமா இல்ல அவர் அங்கதானே இருக்காரு அனங்கனா
Maran Tamil Maran. We call him Maran.
அதான் it was beautiful and you can correlate Lalita Sahasranamam and Saundarya Lahari so much of meanings I mean correlate the meanings and all that so anyway yeah, I mean yeah you keep saying you're only an instrument even that instrument to come into my life and guide me it's everything like I mean, there are so many gurus and all that, but I've never, basically, like I told you, we don't have a guru at all. Guru Parampara is not in our either.
And actually, thanks to Gopram TV because Prasad sir actually initiated this work. That he only told me it has to be done this way with meanings.
Yeah.
Ganesh
Yeah,
and Prasad
we had
uh,
to meet
and
somehow. So many, layers of
yeah.
incidents and apparatus
So
like you can
you
see.
saw Radha Satish saw Gopram TV, and you also saw Gopram TV, and
Yeah,
through that only you people contacted me.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
see, everybody is an instrument. Everybody is
yeah,
an
yeah,
instrument, right?
yeah.
Huh?
Anyway, thank
So
you so much.
very nice hearing from you, and
Thank you.
hope we can use this testimonial
Sure.
in our Soundarya Lahari page also.
Yeah, you
Huh?
can. Please
I
go
want
ahead.
I want people to take motivation from you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Srimatre Namaha.
Matre Namaha. Shri Matre. श्रीललिता त्रिपुरसुन्दरी माता की जय।